What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Kari Beats back with another POV, as y'all can see, man. It been a minute, dog. It feel like it been a minute. I ain't posted in a week. It feel like I ain't recorded in a year. I don't know why. It just feel like that. But what's good, Kari crew and future Kari crew and whoever watching that don't know who I am, man. I am Kari Beats. I do POVs, any kind of car content, regular content too. But right now it's mostly car content or anything pertaining to car, whatever. You know what I'm saying? So make sure you hit that like button, man. Hit that subscribe button if you are new, so you can be a part of the Kari crew. You know what I'm saying? But as y'all can see, we on the back roads. You feel me? Country road, man. Out in Mexico, riding, vibing, man. We're finna just get a little nice Mexico slash country slash back road. You know what I'm saying? POV drive, man. With one of the loudest scat packs. You know what I'm saying? In the world. One of the loudest scat packs in the world, man. Literally. You know what I'm saying? But it colder than a motherfucker. All that wind blowing. I be doing it for y'all, man. I don't be needing, you know what I'm saying, gotta roll the window down, you know what I'm saying? But I know y'all gotta get every little piece of volume, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna get straight into it though, just a little down. So I ain't drove my car in a weekend. Man, today, man, I cranked my car today, right? Well, I tried to crank my car this morning, as y'all can see at 8 o'clock in the morning, you know what I'm saying? 8 o'clock in the morning early. And I haven't crunked Olivia up in a week, bro. In a whole week, maybe longer, like a week, and like, you know what I'm saying, 6, 7 days. I know it's 7 days for sure, about like 7 days, bro. I tried to remote start it this morning. It didn't even like try. It just flashed one time. I'm like, damn, all right. Now I go try to crank up, nothing. Try about 2 more times, nothing. Like, I'm like, come on, bro. Can't be my battery, bro. The battery ain't even old yet. It getting close to that time, it ain't old yet. But mind y'all, it's been cold, bro. This whole week, like every morning, it's been cold. Like now, it's 45 degrees. It's 45 degrees outside right now. And it's been like that every morning since she's not been cranking up. So, obviously, you know, they're probably going to, you know what I'm saying, take the cake as far as the reason why it's being, you know what I'm saying, dead or whatever. So, I finally, you know what I'm saying, get a jumper cable, hook them up, try to crank it up. It wouldn't crank. It kind of sputtered, but it didn't crank. So, I had to give some time to, like, you know, the car to charge the battery, the other car to charge the battery up. Finally crunk up, as y'all can see, we in motion. But that's just crazy, man. Like, I was like, come on, dog. And I got stuff to do today. You know what I'm saying? I got some big coming for y'all, you know what I'm saying? Hopefully, fingers crossed, some big coming for y'all, man. Nice video, bro. Or videos. Probably videos with an S. So y'all boy just, you know what I'm saying? Stay tuned, man. Keep subscribing. Get your boy to 20K. We on the road to 20K the quick way. That was a long boy. 4th gear, long boy. You going from a low start. that bit sound like a manual. Stretching. It's stretching. But just roll these back up. Roll the back window down for real. But yeah, man, like, that junk is insane, bro. Like, I was like, what? I was like, not Olivia, cuz, what? You supposed to be mighty, almighty. Not like that, but you know what I'm saying? Like, strong, you feel me? I don't crunk you up. I don't let you sit for a week before. And you ain't never do that, you know what I'm saying? So, and I'm just like, damn, what really going on, man? But it's cool though, man. Y'all see we in motion, man, you know, so we good for right now, man. But, yeah, man, I feel like I ain't talked to y'all boys in a minute. What going, like? You feel me? Y'all boy, you know, comment down below, man, how y'all feeling, man? What y'all got going today? Anybody get a new whip? It ain't gotta be a you know what I'm saying, a scatter nothing. Anybody get any new whip, you know what I'm saying? New money on, something. Trying to make sure I'm holding the camera right. Like I usually feel like I ain't did this in so long, but I don't know what I'm supposed to do. If I'm gonna do it like this, it's supposed to be like this, face up. But yeah, man, it's a lot of wind, so I'm trying to get y'all to hear Olivia for real. Hold on. It sounds like my car not that loud no more right now. Did my cats get put back on? Somebody put them back on? I ain't even upshift. The car upshift by itself just then. But it wind so cold, car crew, bro. I'm doing it for y'all, bro. I'm doing it for y'all, man. It's cold. Cold, car crew. Cold as hell. I'm talking about cold, boy. I know Olivia happy to be driven, but she got to rest though. You know what I'm saying? Nothing wrong with letting your car rest. But I see when it's cold, boy, do not let your car sit outside. If it's cold, if it's like cool, like anything 50 and below, under 60 really, every day, I don't care how good the battery is, you can get a brand new one, bro. That cold weather gonna make that battery go crazy. Bro, I can see my breath right now while I'm talking to y'all. That's how cold it is, man. That's insane. I ain't never seen that before. And the car been on. Yeah, man, give y'all a nice little back road, you know what I'm saying, POV as y'all can see, man. Nice little back road POV, man. Nothing too crazy. I'm kind of rocking with this different setting on my camera. I usually do 60, I forgot what it, whatever they call it, but the 60 HD or 4K, but I like the 30 though. I just like how when you move the camera, how it move around. And I heard it say you get more memory. There's less memory to take up when it's like this, so. Trying this out right now. Nothing too crazy, cuz. Nothing too crazy. Well, like they driving so slow. But yeah, man, let me roll these windows up a little bit. I ain't gonna cap. Them mug getting a little too. We gotta do a windows up POV for the rest of these 3 minutes. But yeah, man, crazy morning, bro. Crazy morning, car crew, bro. I was finna be like, man, dang, bro. Like, man, I can't, bro. I gotta get this video, bro. I'm heading out of town right now. You know what I'm saying? But I gotta get this video for y'all boys, bro. This is something I always wanted to do, bro. So, you know what I'm saying? Finger crossing, everything gonna go through smooth. You know what I'm saying? Everything go through smooth. I get to do what I need to do, what I plan on doing, man. And God's will. He allowed to happen. You feel me? Ooh. Does my car sound loud on the inside to y'all? What is it? Stick 'em. What y'all think, bro? Y'all think my car pretty loud, bro? On the inside, or it sound pretty normal? I done rolled in straight pipe scats with the cats. And mind y'all, not straight pipe. You let y'all know I'm not straight pipe completely. So I rolled on the straight pipe scat with the cats on, and it's way quieter. Like, bro, you can't even really hear nothing compared to how this sound. It's like it's quiet on the inside. You can hear it from the back, like, but in this though, you hear like everything from the front to the back. Or like you hear it coming out the back. You don't really hear it from the front, but it's just louder in the back. You can just tell. And that's me like not even full throttle for real. That's just like playing in the RPM. You know what I'm saying? Look at the cows over there. The cows looking at me like, what the fuck is that? Man, some of them cows running, cuz. Hey, I wish I could see, bro. A lot of them cows just start like, a herd of them niggas start running, bro. Hey, you know how they be having dogs to do that? To like get the cows and whatever, you know, I forgot the word they call them as a group, but you know all the cows and move them somewhere. They had a dog out there messing with them and jump. They just need Olivia for that. Just put some concrete out there and let me go out there and slide something. They're gonna be like, oh Lord, get away from this guy. Oh yeah. Ugly. But yeah, man, I'm finna try to get this video for y'all, man. We finna turn it back up, bro. I used to, y'all comment down below if y'all like when I drop a lot or drop like almost every day, bro. Cause it feel like it don't be doing nothing. I ain't gonna lie, like people be tuning in, but it's like the same, you know what I'm saying? The same folks that tune in to any other video. which I appreciate. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to get it to grow to get the rest of the car crew that been asleep, that subscribed, that been asleep, and then the new folks that don't know who I am. You know what I'm saying? So I'm trying to learn that algorithm and just learn YouTube, bro. I just wish, man, somebody could just, I ain't even saying really give me the sauce, just give me enough to be like, something that I don't know. I'd be like, dang, I ain't even know that YouTube work like that. It may be something that I thought about and be like, nah, that probably ain't it. And it probably that. It be stuff that's like, not even what you would think that work, bro, that really will work for YouTube. It be the weird stuff that seem like it don't do nothing. That'd be what it, that's all it take, like. But you know what I'm saying? We getting there, man. We growing, man. Y'all get y'all up to 20K the quick way, bro. We finally made the 15K, man. Great milestone. Thank you, God, for letting me make 15K, man. And we on the way to 20K, you know what I'm saying? I'm probably gonna give y'all one more little pull. I think it's a turn coming up, so I don't know yet. But yeah, it is a turn right here. So after I give y'all this little pull right there, man, that's gonna be it for this video. You know what I'm saying? Y'all boys stay tuned, man. I'm getting multiple videos today, you know what I'm saying? So this is not the only video y'all gonna be getting. So this video gonna be coming out, you know what I'm saying, the day after this one. Or y'all let me know if I should post multiple videos a day. Now I do that, like drop a video early in the day, like 12 p.m. Then turn around and drop my regular, you know what I'm saying, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, around that time, like 6 to 8 time frame, you know what I'm saying? Y'all let me know. I seen DDG comment something on TikTok, somebody TikTok about doing something with YouTube, and he would post 3 times a day and then watch what happens, something like that. Post 3 times a day and then boom, or something like watch what happens, whatever like that. Which is possible, but you still just gotta, like, you can't just post 3 times a day and be posting BS, you know what I'm saying? So, and the car content, like, different unless you're working on your car or something like that. So, yeah, man. But let me get out this little pull right quick. You know what I'm saying? I probably ain't gonna really hear real all that wind. It's so windy, but we're gonna get to it. Make sure y'all hit that like button, like I said, man. For all my religious folk, keep God first, keep him in the mix and everything that you do, man. And y'all boys that chasing y'all dreams, stay hungry, stay, you know what I'm saying, just keep grinding. Don't give up, always stay ambitious. You know what I'm saying? Stay ambitious and act like you got something to prove, man. You do. Prove yourself wrong. If you don't prove nobody else wrong, prove yourself wrong, bro. Cause we, as an individual, bro, we had the most doubt in ourselves the most, just because it's like, man, I can't do nothing like this, cause it's like something like outrageous or something like that's like one of none. You feel me? So yeah, you can do it, bro. There's a lot of people around you doing it. You watching me do it, so you know what I'm saying. And I'm living proof. Like, it's slow, but it's coming. Like, it's any motion better than no motion. Like everybody say, bro, that easy cliche. Any motion better than none. As long as you growing, bro, every day, that's all that matters. Cause it'll speed up at any time. You can wake up. I can wake up in a week from now. It could be a week from now, and I could be at 30K, bro. Just off of just, you know what I'm saying? Anything, bro. That's all it takes. It's too easy, bro. We just gotta keep working, keep shooting that shot. But yeah, man, let me get out of this. My bad. Let me get out of this. Stick 'em. Oh, we're going around the curve. Hold on. Let's see what it is. Hold on. Going around the curve, no foot on the brake. All right. Slight little curve. But yeah, man. That's gonna be it. We got some more cows. Some big old cows too, but yeah, man. Look both ways for you across the street. But yeah, man, that could be a wrap, like I was saying. I just want to get y'all that, but like I said at the end of my video, man, I'm out of here like yesterday.